Anthu ambiri ayankhulapo makamaka pa tsamba la mchezo la Facebook ataona deputy speaker wachiwiri kwa speaker wa nyumba ya malamulo Madalitso Honorable Madalitso kwa mdelanji pena amati ayi muyankhwana English yankhwana grammar tionetseni kuti matha English tionetseni kuti mapita school tionetseni ndi anthu ambiri ndithu makomenti kuti kodi inu ku parliament kumudzi kwambira zizungu zokha kodi inuyo akuti ena afe tili ku South Africa timayankhula bwino English ndithu kuti peneponso ndakuti English. Anyway, ndisangokuwuzani pano muzionere nokha pasewala panga ka like share ka comment kabwino kaja kose tukwana kaja you guys, thank you so much for cameras. Bye.
Silence, please. Honourable members, resume your seats. No. Resume your seats. Point of orders, keep them in your pocket. Mangoji Southwest. Thank you very much. I gave the point of order. Thank you very much, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir. We can't be here doing point of orders. No. Wednesdays are for committees and debates. So let's debate. Show your English. Show that you went to school. Show that you know grammar. Debate. Mangoji Southwest. Point of order in your pocket. Thank you so much. Thank you. You went to school? Stand up. Speak. I will recognize you. Show that you went to school. Show us your grammar. Yes. Wednesdays are for debate. Point of order in your pocket. Debate, stand up. Show us your English. Show us that you went to school. Thank you so much.